So Ettore is my squeegee rubber of choice. So my squeegee of choice. The Ettore rubber is, I believe, brings you the most value because of the quality of the rubber material. Ettore has been around for years and years, and not only that, Ettore does so much to contribute to our industry. It's amazing. They're a wonderful company. They're represented in all the different distributors across the country and across the world, and Ettore is just a tool that window cleaners can depend on.
I've been using Ettore products for over 35 years. I love their rubbers, their squeegees, their wands, and everything about their company.
Clearly the best. I mean, especially the squeegees. You know, I would never. I try everything out there. I like to try new things, but in my old crew, we prefer the Ettores by far.